Hey guys, Sam here, and we are going to be doing the soda taste testing challenge, where I'm going to be trying to know what these disgusting sodas are going to taste like blindfolded. So, we have our 5 flavors that we're doing today. We have zombie brain juice, which is just strawberry orange. So that might actually taste good. We have cucumber soda. I'm not excited for the cucumber soda. We have the Jelly Belly strawberry jam. That might taste good. Then we have butter soda. And we have unicorn ooze. Unicorn yak. Unicorn ooze and yaks. Same thing. And, of course, I have my puking bowl and I have my water. So, yeah. We're going to mix them up and then I'm going to try to taste them and see if I know the thing. Oh no. Okay, let's get on to it. And we're back. So, I'm going to be testing these sodas. So, yeah. Soda number 1. That tastes good. I think it's the Jelly Belly strawberry jam one.
That's a winner.
Yay! Got number 1 correct. Okay.
How's it taste?
It tastes good, actually. Doesn't taste bad. Okay, I'm ready for round number 2.
Man of many words.
Okay, soda number 2. That's butter soda. That's so butter soda. It tastes disgusting. Oh no.
I gotta try.
I need more water.
Yeah. It smells like movie popcorn.
It does, but it smells worse than movie popcorn butter. Because movie popcorn butter smells good.
It tastes like anything.
Okay.
All right.
I'm ready for round number 3. Tastes good. It's the unicorn one.
Ding, 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 ding.
Yeah, these taste so good. I'm keeping this next to me.
Right?
I've never tasted raspberry orange cream.
Now you have. Here we go. Number 4.
Number 4. I think it's the cucumber one. No!
Incorrect.
It's the zombie.
It's the zombie brain juice.
Oh no.
You want to try another sip of it? What flavors do you try? What do you taste? You got it.
Bit like berry.
Strawberry orange.
Oh, it tastes good.
Not a bad one?
Yeah, I'm not excited for cucumber. So here's the last final one. It's cucumber. Oh no. It tastes good. It tastes like cucumber just with carbonation.
Well,
It smells like cucumber.
you like cucumbers.
Mm-hmm.
Not
I'm
shocking
weird.
that it would be bad.
I'm weird.
You're weird that you
Yes.
like cucumbers?
No, I'm weird that I thought the soda was going to taste disgusting.
True.
Oh no. Well, okay. They tasted pretty good. Besides the butter. The butter tasted freaking disgusting.
How would you rank them?
The unicorn one, a 10. The cucumber one, a 3. Because I don't think cucumber should be in a soda at all. The The zombie ooze, actually tasted really good. So I would rate that like a 9.
Zombie brain juice.
Zombie brain juice. Butter's a complete 0.
Butter is a complete. We'll say no to butter soda, as I put it right in front of your face. Butter.
Really?
Well.
Really?
Learn.
Really?
Learn. Can't do
Really?
it. Really?
Really?
Oh, really?
I got it. Really?
How about like this? Really? Butter? Butter.
The strawberry jam one I would rate like a 7. Because it tasted pretty well.
Tasted pretty well.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the cucumber one is a 3. Because it tastes like cucumber, but it doesn't go... It's not right with carbonation. Don't put a vegetable or whatever this is with carbonation. It doesn't taste good. So that's going to wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll probably have a part 2 coming out soon. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!